Hey everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to maintain your flashlights and preserve their waterproof capabilities. So if you're into prepping, hunting, camping, or simply use your flashlights extensively, this video will be useful. I'll put links to all the stuff down below in the description. You'll need some alcohol-based wet wipes, Q-tips, silicone grease, and optional some spudger tools. There's a dedicated grease on the market for flashlights from Nitecore, which actually looks and smells like a regular silicone grease to me. But if you're going to use another brand, simply buy food-grade grease, which you can also use to lubricate O-rings on your blender, food processor, water filter, and so on. As you can see, I'm a Fenix fan. I also own a Fenix headlamp and a UV flashlight from Tucked Eagle. Top-notch stuff. By the way, I have a comparison video between the 365 and 395 nanometer UV flashlights. Now let's start with the disassembly. Most flashlights allow you to remove the tail cap, while others also have a removable bezel and light head. This Fenix LD10 is the most vulnerable flashlight in my collection, because you have to constantly replace the battery, which wears out O-rings. The grease also starts to dry out more quickly, and you can just accidentally wipe it off during battery replacement. Next up is the Fenix PD36R, a very cool and powerful USB rechargeable flashlight with a 21700 cell. The tail cap is not removable on this model. And the last one is Fenix TK20R. This is one of the best tactical flashlights on the market and my favorite one. It's super powerful, you've got dual tail switch, great design and build quality. I also like how they concealed the USB port with this ring, which is already a bit tight, and this O-ring looks completely dry, which is not good. Now let's start with removing the seals. Next I'm gonna wipe off the old grease and dirt from all these parts. Make sure that all the contacts are clean and shiny and there's no oxidation, which you can clean with rubbing alcohol. You can see how dirty were the contacts. Inspect the O-rings, ensuring that there's no damage and they're not overstretched, otherwise replace them with the new ones from the kit. Now we can apply grease to the thread and the groove for the O-ring, like so. Then we can roll the O-ring down into the groove. I'm gonna add a bit more grease in this area to ensure the waterproofing. Repeat the process for the other side. Finally, reassemble your flashlight. This one is very easy to service, there's only one O-ring and it's basically the same process. This one can be a bit tricky because there's a hidden O-ring under this cover and we need to figure out how to apply grease to it. First, let's remove the O-rings. Next, clean the grooves and threads with rubbing alcohol. Now we can apply some fresh grease. To lubricate the hidden O-ring, I'll apply a tiny amount of grease from the side with a closed USB cover. Then unscrew it and apply a tiny amount to the internal thread. Move the ring back and forth a few times to evenly distribute the grease along the thread and the O-ring. Remove the excess grease, and now it's nice and smooth. So, by using the silicone grease, you can also lubricate and seal O-rings for your electric toothbrush or wristwatch after replacing the battery. You can also apply it to rubber seals on containers, lids, and camera accessories to maintain their waterproofing. So I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.